Ryan from Overlander Campers down in Redmond, Oregon at the Overland Expo PNW with one of the newest motorhomes to market. This is the Overlander Ridge. This is a four-wheel drive, true four-wheel drive, 4-low, done by Quigley, maintains the full Ford warranty. So basically, it's got a solid front axle that creates a 4-inch lift. We use Bilstein shocks to raise it up, and they use a 4-inch block at the back. We have custom front bumpers done by Torklift. You can put in lights, winch, things like that, whatever you want to do yourself. Looks awesome, is awesome. This company's been building campers and motorhomes, campers since 1969, motorhomes since the 1980s. So Adventure Manufacturing, Yakima, Washington, American built. They built hundreds of these motorhomes a year for a rental fleet up in Canada. They get about 12 million plus miles a year on them. So these motorhomes are tried, tested, and true. The Overlander brand was new in 2026 on the E-Series chassis. It was built in the past, about 2018, on an F-Series chassis, but then COVID hit and they stopped building it for a little while, but it's back. So Overlander 4x4, this is the smallest model they build. This is the Ridge, it's about 20 feet long. We also build a Range, which is a little bit bigger. It's about 24 feet long. And then we build a Fjord, which has a slide. It's closer to 26 feet long. So on the Ridge, which we have here, it's our smallest, most compact model, single rear wheel, has a rear ladder to get on the roof. It's gonna have a spot for Starlink Mini on the roof, spare tire, custom rear bumper, backup camera on this. You got 3 100 amp NOCO batteries on here. I can't show you fully, but I can show you one of the cubbies here. Got somebody's sweater here. We got 1 NOCO here, 2 more will be over there. Full kit in case you get a flat tire, you can swap it out. This is the road kit in there for hazard, all that plugged in here. Hot water heater, outdoor shower with the light. We drained the battery on this thing, so we were using a generator last night to get it kicked back up. But awesome unit on the outside. Aluminum construction. All lamination is done in Yakima, Washington. As done the exterior lamination process. Got a rubber roof, TPO roof, full warranty on that. So you get a full Ford warranty on the chassis, 3-year warranty, structural warranty on the coach portion from Venture Manufacturing. These things have been built for a long time, so quality is the big focus for Venture Manufacturing. This motorhome has been tried, tested, put through the ringers. I know the rentals up in Canada, they go anywhere. They don't have no off-road policy, so they're going down logging roads, all sorts of off-grid places. So I don't think the company wants to pay too many warranty dollars, so they build these things well. But let's go inside and have a peek here. So when you come inside this Ridge, you have a movable dinette that moves around, swivels. It also pops off the tabletop here, goes into the slot. So you have a sleeping area right here. You have your dual glazed acrylic window, with a nightshade and bug screen. All the windows open except for the rear one. That's a code thing. Got your cooktop, nice big 12-volt fridge. I think it's 10 cubic feet roughly. Little lock on there, but it just opens like your home fridge. Huge fridge, dual sink. Cooktops are covered, using as counter space. Microwave if you need, want to make some popcorn or something for the kids. Huge washroom. So this thing's got a wet bath, and it's deceiving because it doesn't look so big, but I'm 5'11". I've seen guys standing here today that are over 6 feet. I still got like, what, 4 inches up there, so 6'3". Probably fit in there okay and still be able to have a shower. Cabover bed for extra sleeping. Simple ladder to get up into that. Big screen at the dash. Can have a look down here on the floor at the 4-low. So it's true 4-low. And inside the coach, I mean, you have nice easy lighting, option for an air conditioner, tons of different storage. I mean, somebody's got this stacked. I think I'm sleeping here tonight. This isn't my stuff, but you got a toothbrush if somebody's in here. Tons of cubbies, tons of space, pine backing for the cabinets, and they're wrapped at the front. Storage above the bed. I'm missing something here I wanted to touch on. We got AC, we got a TV. You can't see it, it's right above the door. So you got a nice TV up there. So if you're looking for TVs, 12-volt TV, plug in your, your cables from your phone or whatever you need to use. You got your Starlink Mini port I told you about. Has to be a Starlink Mini. Again, tons of space in here. It's taller, bigger than your vans. Tons of room in here. You got your dog. Tons of space. Again, this thing is built in Yakima, Washington. This is an Overlander motorhome. Things are brand new. It's 26. It's the Ridge again, the smallest one. But check out the larger ones, the Range and the Fjord at overlandercampers.com.